Hi, Jochen here, the online agent. And in this section, we're gonna learn how to create new video campaigns in Google Ads. Why video? Well, because video is very engaging, video is moving, video can be exciting, and a lot of people like videos. They prefer watching videos over reading books, over text or images. Maybe think about yourself and see how many videos every single day are uploaded to YouTube and other channels and how many of them are being watched. So video is definitely something you need to consider. And in this particular section, I'll show you how to create a new campaign, what are the different types of video ads we can place, and which one we use for our real estate campaigns. There are quite a few different formats, 6 or 7 of them in YouTube, but there would only be 3 of them that I consider for our purposes. And these 3 are: number 1, skippable in-stream ads; number 2, non-skippable in-stream ads; and number 3, bumper ads. So what's the difference and how should we use them? Number 1 is skippable in-stream ads. Is ads that appear somewhere in the middle of some other user's video when you're watching content, either before or after or in the middle. After about 5 seconds, the user can just skip them away. So they're a bit cheaper for that purpose, but because they can skip them, I personally don't really like them so much. But they can be longer, they can be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, but just remember, the user can skip after 5 seconds. The non-skippable in-stream ads is pretty much similar to the first one, with the difference is that the user cannot skip them. Therefore, they have to be shorter with a length of maximum 15 seconds. And in this particular section here, I'll use this type of ad to show you how to create a video ad. I have already created such a 15 seconds video. That's the prerequisite, obviously, to generating a video ad, that you have a video. Where do you get it from if you are not able to make it yourself? Well, probably from your agencies or the developer. If you want to learn how to edit videos, that's a totally different course. So my assumption is that you already have some video that you can use and uploaded it to YouTube. Number 3, bumper ads. These are very short ads, maximum 5-6 seconds, that can be the broader audience with a very short message like landmark launching now, contact us. That's pretty much it, what you can say in 5 seconds. But because they're also relatively broad and cheap, because they're short, they can read wider masses. So for mass distribution, you can also use bumper ads. So from your Google Ad account, in the main screen where you see all the campaigns, as always for new campaign, we will click on the plus button and open a new campaign. We can optimize for leads if it's a new video campaign for new leads that we are targeting, or we can also leave it blank if it's for retargeting, which I'll show you in a different module. I'll choose this one for now. So I'll go to video. Once the screen has come up, you need to give it some name. Google allows you here for this particular type. For different video types, they have different targeting strategies, either to maximize for conversions or your cost per action. This round, I will continue with maximize conversions, because that's what I want, conversions. You set whatever budget you want to set. I'll set it just for $10 for now. As always, you can define the start and end date. And here, networks, that's where Google will display the video. Same as always, choose your locations and languages that you want to target. Inventory, the standard is fine. You can see here that expanded or limited is applicable to certain type of videos that you can place your ad in front of. Because I only have one video, I, in this case here, only need one ad group. Then choose the demographics that is right for you, depending on whom you want to market to. This is the same like in the other demographics. As usual, I will exclude the very young people and the low income earners. Then the audiences that we want to show this to. Why we want to be specific, so we're not going to show to everybody else spend too much money. We already defined this previously in our account here, so I'm just going to use what I have. So just tick, or if you want to select, you can tick in the video also for those that you have, but make sure you don't target everybody, keep it specific. And you can also populate the keywords here. Did you know what is the second biggest search engine in the world after Google? It's YouTube. People search for keywords there also. And I don't have to type all of them here manually now. This is just for demonstration purposes. Afterwards, I will just go to my search campaign for the same property, for the landmark, copy the keywords from there and paste them into here. Copy paste is always most efficient. Then under topics, you can select certain topics that make more sense. Property, obviously, maybe under investing too. Placement means where do you want to place your ads. This one here, you can select different YouTube channels, different websites that I explained to you before. Let's say Property Guru. I want to target their website, look for it, and then tick it so it appears here on the right hand side. So this is your bid, how much you want to bid, and then Google will give you some feedback. They say it's a bit low, so maybe I try it with $2. And this here means top content, so you want to be on top how many percent of the time, because you need to be on top. Not number one, but at least top 3. So I want to be top 3, let's say 80% of the time. So I put 80 here. And here you gotta put in the link to YouTube of your video. So from YouTube, I just get the shareable link, copy it and paste it in here. And then which URL, if the user clicks on your ad, should we send them to? Of course, as always, to our funnel. I'm gonna copy and paste it in here. Paste. Display URL is, this is the actual URL where it goes to. Display URL is what the user is being shown. It can be the same or different. I will definitely show it without the slash at the end and also without the www in the beginning. Call to action is always very, very good to have. Click now, visit website. This is our call to action. You see here the preview how this appears. Visit website, click now, give the ad some name and create. Our campaign is ready now. If you don't want to serve it immediately, although this is ready mostly, but for example, my keyword list is not ready. So as always, I will pause it first so that Google doesn't start serving the ad immediately. I'll finish up my keywords, copy paste for my search campaign, and then I will go and enable the ad. So that's how you create a video campaign. If you want a different type of video, skippable instead of non-skippable, it's basically exactly the same process, only the field names might vary. So it's quite easy and straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next section.